Does anybody know what that sound is? Ain't it weird? Them tree branches are gone, but all those are all pretty green. It's really strange, isn't it? I don't know if you can see it because of the sunlight. I'm moving over. But look at the beautiful green leaves, two colors, and everything else is gone green. Them pine trees in the back, other trees, they stay green. Hear that bird? Sounds weird. Try to get a picture of a woodpecker in that gnarly pecan tree. It was humongous. At first I thought it was a rooster, but it's too thin for a rooster. Alright, I just thought I might catch that sound. Anybody know what that bird was?